Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this Tuesday. I almost said Monday, 9/8. Okay, hopefully it is start of our fall trading. Hopefully we get out of the funk. We certainly were not out of the funk today with the price action on the EC and ES, rather range bound and just poor price action. But let's see how we did. A review of today's session. We were 4-1-1, trading three contracts, $312.50. And let's take a look at the first trade here. Actually, on this first trade, we were 5-5-12. We hit all these targets. I'm not sure what happened. There were a number of people in the room. They were 5-5 and must have been just barely on a touch. There wasn't that many contracts traded at the time when we touched it, but they were stopped out. I wasn't. There was another person that wasn't, and got filled at the 12. Uncle Mike just decided to count it as a 5-5. So that was $125 instead of $300 on the first trade is how it's counted in the spreadsheet. So could have been a little more. A couple people I think got a little more, but 312 was the amount, and that was the first trade on the EC. Let me bring you to the last trade on the EC, since we have the EC chart. Here it is. On this trade here, this second one was a winner. It was 5-5-5. What happened is we got our first five. We came here. We brought our stop down to 5 to protect it because we were already trading at 08. Now you can see the gap down here, and you can see it all along all day. The EC was very choppy, but we have a contract rollover on Thursday. So anyway, we made the decision to save 5. It just came down, just took us out, and went the full amount. So anyway, we got 5-5-5 on that one. Now let me take you over to the other trades we had on the ES. Okay, here's the first one, fairly close out of the chute. This was what, 956. We came in, we got a signal for a short, 1K short. We took it. It was just about there, and you can see we were stopped out to the tick. But it doesn't matter where it goes afterwards. It was successful, but we weren't in. That was our full stop out today on that loss, our only loss. We jumped back in a few minutes later, took another one. We were all in, all out with 1 point, and hit the second trade. And then after that was choppy. We were in a scale and trade. Had our orders in. We couldn't take this one. That worked, but we were sitting in a scale short. We just missed getting taken in by 2 ticks, but hey, missing doesn't count. And then right after lunch at 1, right here, we took what we call our jelly bean trade right here. We got in, we got our point, we were in and out. After that, it was about the 2 o'clock time frame. We were done trading for the day. You can see the choppy action, basically sideways type movement. It's still right here. Well, it's aftermarket, but you can see. I mean, it's just. Let me scroll this back a little. Just sideways chop. 1 minute candles are 2 tick in length. Very, very difficult to trade. So we decided with our 4-1-1 we were done for the day with 312 at 2 o'clock. And we enjoyed the rest of the day. So hopefully tomorrow will be better. Uncle Mike will be bringing you these daily through the last month of the summer. Tried to get a little time off, and of course when I can do it is in the afternoon after we're done, or morning when we're done trading. And wasn't as faithful updating every day, but we will be going forward. Thanks for joining me. And if you'd like, come on in, take a test drive of our room if this is the type of trading that would interest you. Thanks. Have a great evening.